I used to have a photographic memory. I was a model. I was sent to learn Middle Eastern languages at the Defense Language Institute. I could handle anything. Nobody ever imagined I almost drowned in an ocean of self-doubt, other people's biases, and physical injury. In 2005, when I was a soldier in Army intelligence, the back of my head got cracked open. I still have a hard time talking about it. It destroyed so much of my life and livelihood. Once the wound healed, the rest was invisible. I didn't always know how to deal with danger after my head injury. When I was on the East Coast planning my wedding, away from my fiancé, I was beaten. I was beaten until I blacked out, and then I was beaten again, while people stood at my feet and watched. When I realized I was dying, I said a quiet prayer and watched my life flash before my eyes. The medical team managed to salvage my left eye after prying my cheekbone out of the back of my eye and my brain. Pins, plates, screws, and hundreds of stitches later, the journey to healing had just begun. I had to relearn a lot of things, and I don't even know where to begin with the emotional and psychological impact this had on me. The waves kept crashing on me. It was like I couldn't come up for air. I was terrified of people finding out and thinking I wasn't capable. Some days it was like I was barely clinging to the cliffs. Sometimes I wanted to die. Gradually, the water calmed. One day I realized that I was moving forward. I didn't give up and exceeded all expectations. The last time I took the cognitive function test, I aced it. I still have some effects of the TBI, but I'm going back to school now, starting a business. I am Mrs. Monterey, and I'm running for Mrs. California. I'm still pressing my boundaries.